In this video, we will show the best iPhone 11 Pro leather pouch case available to buy. At number 8. Sharp Icon Leather Flip Wallet Back Cover. It included 3-card slot, carry around your ID, credit card, travel card, currency note holder and cash without having to take your wallet with you. At number 7. Wow, Imagine Lychee Leather Case. It features embossed lychee pattern in leather look with precise cutouts for complete access to all features of the device including microphone, speaker, camera and all buttons. At number 6. Acm Horizontal Case for Apple iPhone 11 Pro. This cover takes your device inside it fully. This means that the most important part of the phone, the screen, is protected from harm without the added thickness and weight. At number 5. Kappa Leather Flip Case Cover for Apple iPhone 11 Pro. It is made of synthetic PU leather with top-grade hand feeling, soft lining looks and feels like velvet. Soft and flexible TPU silicone base doesn't scratch your phone body. At number 4. Arbuda Fancy Printed Designer Leather Flip Wallet Back Cover. It included 3-card slot, carry around your ID, credit card, travel card, currency note holder and cash without having to take your wallet with you. At number 3. Realtech PU Leather Mobile Pouch. It is made of genuine PU leather which it is soft and smooth. Keep mobile and passport in this wallet. Even can put slim power bank also as well as almost 5+ cards. At number 2. Pirum Magnetic Flip Cover. The precision cutouts allow for full functionality while mobile being protected. Change the volume, answer a call, charge your battery, take a picture and listen to music without ever having to open your case. At number 1. Chalk Factory Genuine Leather Mobile Case. It is a highly functional yet attractive case. The premium leather gives a sophisticated feel that provides a versatile look.